Hello everyone, it's Recharger here, and welcome to a 143 scale video. Today we have another IXO or IXO models. This time we have a bus. This is an American bus. I can't tell you the name because it doesn't say anywhere, but you'll probably see it in the title, or if I want to unpack it, well, hopefully it says somewhere on the bus. Yeah, so this is a pre-owned. As you can see, the box is in a very bad shape, but there's nothing I can do about it. But I was offered with a good price on this one, so I couldn't help it and just, well, bought it. I don't have any 143 scale buses in my collection, never had. So this is something completely new to me. And so here we go. There's the bus. Does not come in an acrylic case. So might notice maybe some issues somewhere because, like I said, this has been pre-owned. So it will be a roller though. So it's a GM Quebec. I don't know if that's the name of the vehicle. So what are you? General Motors Fishbowl. Okay, that's what you are. New Look Fishbowl. Okay. So that will be your answer to that. Here's the front of it. We got like mirrors and window wipers. Front end looking very nice. I love the color. It's my favorite color, like this dark teal. The body itself is plastic. The base is metal. Rubber tires. Got dualies in the back. The engine is also in the back. Because of course there's a lot of seats in there. You can see. Got the side seats here in the back. No opening features, but here are the old-fashioned doors. Open up the sides. They fold up like accordions, basically in there. These also, I think, they fold up and then open up inwards, I believe. I have never driven these buses in real life, so I don't know. Yeah, so it says 401. I don't know what that stands for. Yeah, this is... Oops, I accidentally almost broke off the mirror. So yeah, there's nothing much to talk about. It's a very, very beautiful looking bus. Roll test. Oh, it rolls super well. There's some details for the driver's side, at least in the driver's seat side. Yeah, like I said, there's nothing much to talk about. Like I said, it's mostly plastic on the base, because then it would be extremely heavy. It's already pretty heavy because the metal base and for its size. But yeah, this is I find it very cool. I recently, I was talking to some fellow collectors. I said it would be interesting to have a bus in my collection because I've never had a bus. I also just noticed this window looks so funky. It's like forward and back. Weird design choice for sure. But yeah, got like lensed tail lights. Fronts are also lensed, separate pieces and everything. So yeah, this is gonna be a very short video because there's literally nothing more to talk about this thing. Besides, I think it's cool, and I think I bought it for, its actual worth was like 45 euros, I think, or somewhere around 50. So, and I bought it for 30. And I think it's a good deal for 143 scale bus. So, yeah, there you have it, guys. Short video on this amazing big vehicle. Hope you liked the video. Leave a like if you did. Subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one. Ciao.